We back. Today we're at the school. But today we have something a little special. As you might see, we have another brake lever over here now. Last night I installed a handbrake on this bike. I got a Brembo RCS 14 and a P34 on a Perfect Stranger bracket with the HEL line. Yeah, so today I might try to use a handbrake for the first time. I'm not sure how this is going to go because I've never done it before. That's why I brought the camera, just in case something interesting happens. But I haven't done any wheelies yet today, so probably going to warm up with some foot brake. I'm probably just going to try to pick it up, get comfortable on the foot brake, get it balance point and stuff, and then maybe try to tap the handbrake and see what happens. I don't know. We'll see. I can tell you one thing though. I need to get some bar risers. I already got some ordered because my handbrake master is like just resting on my plastics at full lock, and I would prefer it be farther down, but I can't do that because of that problem. So because of that having to be a little bit higher up, my clutch lever is also considerably higher up than it is normally, which makes it hard for me because I have this cut tendon in the back of my hand and I can't point my pointer finger on my left hand all the way. So clutching is kind of hard for me to begin with, but when my hand's in that weird position and it's a little high up, it's even harder. So gotta get used to that for now until my fucking bar risers get here, which should get here later today. But yeah, that might be annoying. But yeah, let's get into it. Couldn't see that, but I did bring it down just then with the handbrake, so that's something. I'm just kind of bringing it up and tapping the handbrake to feel what it's like. I've never clutched up only holding the grip with two fingers though. Like those two clutch ups I just did with 3 fingers wrapped around the bar and only 1 finger on the clutch. The brake lever, I was using the foot brake. I'm realizing right at this moment that practicing this for the first time would probably be a better idea not on camera, just so I'm more focused on what I'm doing and not focused on the camera, but I'll try to forget it's there. So I rocked it back and forth a little bit there on the handbrake. That's not too bad. That was the first ever clutch up attempted with only 2 fingers on the bar, so that's why it sucked so bad. Yeah, it just feels so different not having all 3 fingers wrapped around the bar. I don't really like that very much. But gotta get used to it if I want to get used to handbrake stuff. Feels weird. Hey, I did it successfully though. I'm still only using the foot brake there because I'm just getting used to clutching up with 2 fingers off of the bar. It's kind of hard since I've never done it before. You know, that's kind of what learning how to do wheelies and stunning overall is just getting comfortable with shit you've never done before. Just taking the time to slowly get used to it. this is going really fucking well so far. I'm gonna try to wheelie all the way across the lot without using my foot brake at all. Holy fuck, first handbrake wheelies, holy shit. Man, this is going really well. I wasn't expecting this to go so well, honestly. Alright, no foot brake at all. I'm still hovering over it though, just in case. I'm not taking away my safety net. I kind of need that. At least until I am fully comfortable and confident on this handbrake, I am always going to have my foot hovering over that rear brake. Because I know how to use that, so if anything goes south, it'll be easy to save it. So most of that was honestly engine braking. I wasn't really on the handbrake too much, but there was no foot brake in that. Already starting to get some halfway decent control with that handbrake. I think I should adjust my clutch lever though. I'm just not sure which direction to adjust it. Trying to drop back a little and slow down on the handbrake. I didn't think that was going to happen already. Gotta adjust my glasses. Oh, fuck yeah. Ha! Fuck! I'm already doing handbrake wheelies. Holy shit! This is wild. The clutching up though with the two fingers off the bar is incredibly difficult for me, and it doesn't feel right. I need to practice more of that. Oh, had to hit the rear brake there, the foot brake there because I got scared. Turns out if you practice the foot brake for long enough and get confident enough on that, picking up the handbrake really isn't all that hard. In fact, it's kind of way easier than I expected it to be. Looks like we have some company now, so let's do some more wheelies and not fucking crash, hopefully. At all on that one. My hand is already getting really sore. Just the new position is weird. Oh, dropped it back pretty far. I wanted to hit the foot brake, but I just kind of mentally forced myself to pull my middle finger a little harder, and it did save me. So getting better on the foot brake. Oh, handbrake, I mean. Fuck. Sore as hell, though. Alright. I think that's enough little handbrake stuff for now. Let's do some stuff that I already kind of sort of know how to do. Alright, maybe not, because I fucking suck. good. That was going very well until that happened. I just got scared from that wall and kind of straightened it out. That was bad, and I'm ashamed of it. First time I ever hit the handbrake and accidentally also hit the foot brake, and holy shit. That came down real fast. So yeah, be careful with that. Don't be hitting them at the same time. Sheesh. All right. Okay, well that's a good lesson to learn. Glad I didn't crash. Some more second gear stuff though. Bumpy as fuck over here. Oh, I'm already fucking exhausted. Why am I so tired all the time? Let's see if we can get like one more. See if we can get a whole circle. I want to get a whole circle. Make sure I'm in first. All right, now clutch it up. Good. There we go. Yeah, like that. Go around this pole. Whoa. Big ass parking lot, and I keep somehow making my way over to stuff to hit. I don't know how I keep fucking doing that. All right, good clutch up. Wasn't good, but I got it up there. Oh shit. Oh. Alright. I'm exhausted as fuck now. But that one was pretty good. So, good one to end it on. That's it. Peace.